close my helmet, he's kicking up all kinds of dirt on me. They put dirt on the edges of the road here. In North Carolina, they put road base. That's why you see all the gravel and stuff in the turns in North Carolina. But if I were pulling a skid steer on the back of my truck and I run past the white line in North Carolina, I'd much rather hit the road base than this dirt here. But they got a lot of runoff over there too. North Carolina, it's like white line, then edge of the road. They don't put a foot of asphalt on the other side of the white line. It might feel it to you, it might not feel it to you, but it feels like 200 degrees out here. Wow. You think people that Amazon hires are different. Whew. That crew was something else. I'm gonna leave all this in the video. You guys can watch it if you want. Fast forward to it, jump ahead. At the stop sign, we're off of this road. Hopefully we don't have to follow this guy anymore either. Good, he's turning left. Oh, a brand new Corvette. That is a smashed up FedEx van. Alright, here it comes, just over this hill. It's too bad that store closed down. This store down here at the stop sign must have pulled all its business away. Those Indian people probably didn't have a chance out here. They weren't nice either. Anytime I went into that store back there, they weren't like, "Hi, how are you?" I think if I owned a convenience store, I'd be the friendliest person in the world. I'd be begging you to come back. Whatever I could do to get your business. That place right there is always busy. Always. All right, we're making a left. We're now in Warren. This is Warren, North Carolina. We are on Old 64. This is part of my Old 64 route that I do every now and then, occasionally, when I head to Franklin. That guy is super duper old. There's some cool stuff back in there. Those little shops are kind of cool. We come off that brand new paved road in Georgia, and now we're on this bumpy old thing. This road looks good, but it's bumpy. I don't know if you can see the bike jumping around underneath me. If I were going any faster, it'd be like I was riding on whoopie-doos. Like I was hitting the top of each whoopie-doo. This road's really dirty. And then check out this rafting place. So I've never been in this place, but the little tubing place there is no way in Boogeyman land that I think I want to get into that water. I'm thinking every house along that little creek is dumping their septic into that water. It is nasty. I'm not going in there. It might be safer if you all didn't either. What do you suppose this dude put in the bed of his truck to destroy his tailgate look like that? I bet he wasn't happy about it.